Okay, now we will study the patient related factors. See, before dealing with the patient related factors, we have already discussed the bioavailability of the drug, anatomy and physiology of the GI tract. So, we first determine what are the various related patient related factors that could affect the drug absorption. First is the age matters, that in infants the organs are not developed, and in the elder patient there is an impairment of the organs that leads to drug absorption. So they both infant and elderly person, so they both have to result in a altered absorptions, because the organs are not well developed in the infants, and in elderly patient the organs are generally prone to in their decline. So next is the gastric emptying. See, gastric emptying is that when the all the things that passes from the stomach to small intestine is known as gastric emptying. So for some drugs to increase bioavailability, a rapid gastric emptying is advisable, and for some drugs there is a delay in gastric emptying is required. So, for a better resolution and absorption, when we talk about gastric emptying, can be promoted by taking the drug on an empty stomach. So, since gastric emptying is altered by several factors due to which large intrasubject variation can be observed, all the biopharmaceutic studies that require the drug to be taken orally are performed in volunteers on an empty stomach. So, gastric emptying of a drug is delayed by co-administering food, because unless the gastric contents are fluid enough or the size of the solid particle is reduced to below 2 millimeter, it passes through the pylorus into the intestine is not possible. Next is the depends upon the gastric emptying is depend upon the volume of the meal. Larger the bulk, longer the gastric emptying time. Composition of the meal: carbohydrate takes much less time, proteins, and then fats. So fats promote gas secretion of bile, which too has an inhibitory effect on a gastric emptying. Physical state: it can take from 6 to 7 hours. Temperature of the meal: high or low temperature than rather compared to the body temperature reduce the gastric emptying. Gastric pH: HCl, then acetic acid, then lactic, then tartaric, and then citric. Electrolytes: water isotonic solution and solution of low salt concentration. They generally empty the stomach rapidly in compared to other. Body posture: the downhill path, lying on the right side in the normal curvature provides downhill path, which helps in gastric emptying, whereas in the left hand side or in supine position retards it. Emotional state: stress and anxiety, gastric motility promote, and whereas depression retards. Exercise: exercise the physical training retards the gastric emptying. Disease state like gastroenteritis, gastric ulcer retard the gastric emptying. Drugs: drugs that retard gastric emptying include poorly soluble antacid, anticholinergics, narcotics, triglyceric, antidepressant, and intestinal transit. What is intestinal transit? See, small intestine is the major site of the absorption of the drug. So, long intestinal transit time is reliable for the complete drug absorption. That is duodenum, jejunum, ileum, cecum, colon. So, it is the transit time. Next is the gastric pH. Disintegration. So, For some drugs, pH is sensitive, so entry-coated formulation, the coat dissolves only in the intestines, followed by the disintegration of the tablet. So next is the dissolution. Dissolution is for a weak acid or weak basis, it is affected by the pH. And when the pH forms the salt, formation of salt enhances the dissolution rate of the drug. Next is the absorption. Absorption depend upon the drug pK and whether the drug is acidic or basic. The GI pH influences the drug absorption. Next is the stability. Stability depends upon the say pH. GI pH influence the chemical stability. Acidic stomach pH affects the degradation of antibiotics such as penicillin and erythromycin. So while the basic drugs formation of insoluble drug hydroxide in the alkaline pH of the intestine has been observed. Next is the disease state. Disease state is depend upon the gastrointestinal, cardiovascular, hepatic. So apart from this is the blood flow to the GIT. Blood flow to the GIT tip is the flow rate is 500 to 1000 times more than the lymph node. So for a high permeation rate, highly lipid soluble drugs are absorbed through the pores. Next is the GI contents. GI content is affected by the food drug interaction, fluid volume, interaction of drug with the normal GI constant, drug interaction only. So for the food drug interaction, the presence of food either delay or reduce or increase may or may not affect the drug absorption. Fluid volume, large fluid volume result in better dissolution. And interaction of drug with the normal GI constant, it can affect the drug absorption, as the many drug that contains of polymers like chitosan, it will bind with the mucin molecule as chitosan is tanning and mucin is the anionic. So it forms a complex that leads to retard release of the drug. Thank you.